Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will walk you through our kitchen garden, which is a huge one. So I will break you down about the different portions of the land which has different kinds of vegetables and fruits growing over. So let's get started. So in the beginning we have one big papaya tree, and it is heavily loaded with the papaya fruits. And just right next to it we have another papaya tree that is yet to start the fruiting, but it will start soon. So these two papaya trees basically acts as our entrance gate to the kitchen garden. We all know how healthy are these papaya fruits. There are so many health benefits of consuming these papaya fruits, and there are a lot of ways we can do so. In our area we basically consume this when they are ripe enough as a fruit, and also we use them in salad when they are raw. So there are many ways we can eat this. And just below the papaya tree, this is a toothache plant. So it is basically a health remedy when we have some aches in gum. It basically numbs our mouth. So even if we consume the small portion of this, it provides relief to the tooth pain and gum pain, many kinds of mouth ulcers. So this is it. They look beautiful as well, don't they? And then here we have some vegetables, and we call them bakulla in our language. So it is basically like a pea plant, and we make vegetable curry out of this. So they are yet to fruit. The flowers you can see here, the black and white ones, so they will turn into a fruit just like peas, and then we can consume it in the form of vegetable curry. So this is it. And then here in one portion of land we have grown some radish. So these are all the white radishes that we have grown, and they are not yet matured, but they will soon be matured enough to eat. And radish also have many health benefits, and we can consume it in many ways as well. So one of the way we consume these radishes is that we make salad out of them, and the other way is that we make some pickles. We can also store them, but there is a difference in making the pickles for storage and for instant use. So if you guys want it, I can also share the recipe. And I also have shared one recipe of making radish pickle in one of my old videos, so you guys can check that out if you guys want to. And then now I will take you to the another part of the land. So this is the portion of land where we have grown some lettuce. See, we have just planted some saplings of the lettuce plant, and they are not yet ready to consume. And right here we have one chili plant, but this is not giving fruits at this time because this is not the season. So now let's move on to the next one. And here we have some mustard greens. We call it sag in our language. Comment down what you call this plant in your language. And up here in this portion of land we have some spinach. Maybe I am pronouncing some of the name of these vegetables wrong, but I hope you guys can understand what actually I am referring to. So this is the spinach and they are yet to grow. And up here we have some cabbage plant, and these are the saplings of cabbage that we planted a few months ago, I guess, and they have not started flowering yet, so they are just saplings for now. And we can also see some of the bakullas over there. And again we have some rayo sag in here. And then, not to forget, here we have yet another papaya tree. So this is a proof how much we love papaya, and it is also because it has many health benefits and we love growing them in our kitchen garden. So this is the first lot of this papaya tree. So it has started fruiting, and these are the baby papayas. There are a lot of flowers here in the papaya tree. See? And not to forget to mention that we don't use any kind of chemical fertilizers in our kitchen garden, and we use all the compost manures that we get from the domestic animals that we have reared in our house. So this is one important thing I thought I should mention. And again here we have some more mustard greens, one of my favorite vegetables. We can use it in any kind of vegetables, we can use it individually, and we can also eat them with the noodles. We can eat it in many different ways. They look beautiful as well, don't they? And here, this one, I guess you all know which plant is this. So this is a plant of cherry tomatoes. This is a very local plant of tomatoes, and they are not so big in size. They are small cherry tomatoes and they taste really well. Then in this section we have a lot of fenugreek plants. See, this from here to there, up there, this all is a plot for fenugreek plant. So there are many ways of consuming this fenugreek plant. One of the ways is that we can pluck out these leaves and then we can use it as a vegetables, just like we do with the mustard greens, just like this one. So that is one way. And the another way is that once they are grown and they are matured, they start giving the fruits. So they start giving the fruits and we can obtain the seeds from this, and we dry the seeds and use them in our kitchen as one of the seasoning. We basically fry it. I don't know what exactly is this called, but yeah, we take out the matured seeds and then we fry it in oil before cooking any kind of vegetables. And just below the fenugreek plant we have some, we call this sampo in our language, but I don't know the English name of this. So it smells really nice. I don't know what we call it in English. If I am able to search it in Google, I will write the name, the English name of this one while editing the video. So in our language we call it a sampo, and the smell of this one is really strong. and the ways of eating this one is very similar to that of the fenugreek plant or the mustard greens. We can pluck this one, see, just like this, and then we can cook it as a vegetables and eat it as a green leafy vegetable. This is one way, and there are so many health benefits of consuming this one. So once they are fully grown up and matured, they start giving seeds, and we collect them, we dry them and use it for various health benefits. We can make the powder of this seed, and then we can use it while we are suffering from stomachache, and different kinds of health benefits are obtained from consuming the seed of that plant. And I forgot to show this mint leaves in the beginning of the video, so it is just below the radish part. So here we have radish, then this is mustard greens, and then here we have a tire full of mint leaves. So this thing is the tire of some four-wheeler, and we have grown these mint leaves inside the tire. And I don't think I need to really mention the health benefits of mint leaves. It's a big plot that we have, and we have divided this plot into the different sections so that we can grow different items in a single plot. So in this part of the